Do me body and then me go a gym. Step out well, carve out and trim. Some gyal a looks and a bad.
You don't know, Shauna Controla about forget dirty. We're in Central Plaza on a site. Now I'm gonna help out the man them and do the thing them. My lift up 2 block or mix some cement or something. Something I gotta go and do. We gotta get dirty. Why choose me wear but? So I go. Cute and working. No, sir, so this heavy. Sometimes I build my house, I go up on the site, you know.
For the other one.
So the, I don't want to get my prettiness too confused, you know. A country we come from, I used to dance in here. Maybe by later I can lift up my boyfriend. Five things you need when you're coming on a site. I think gloves, but that's something they got for the dust. Helmet, right shoes, and there's something for your back. Yeah, back strap or whatever it name. Cause I tell you things that me live a while ago. I tell you. Well, today definitely was an experience on the site. I learned a whole lot, so I need to know to build my own. Yeah. So it was an experience and I like it.
Me look like a dream. Every hot girl know what me mean.